Hello traders, this is Forex. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact GBP/JPY setup I used to develop my trading account using nothing but pure price action. So if you've been struggling to catch clean entries, make sure you watch till the end because this setup is something you can repeat every day. So we are on GBP/JPY Japanese yen, and we are trading the New York session. So if you were to look on the left hand side, we are seeing some massive sellers that were dominating the market at that point, and you're seeing that they're leaving these levels, these lower highs here, and this lower high there. So these ones are going to be our key points in this market. And then we are seeing some buyers pushing in here, and they are breaking this lower high. So at this point here, this will be our market shift from here. So these buyers from this zone of support, they are controlling the market because they are breaking below this market structure, because you know that when the market is in a downtrend, you'll see that the market is creating a series of lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So when any of the highs here is violated, it means that the sellers have become weak, and the buyers want to dominate the market. Because if you're in a downtrend, we need to see the sellers respecting these highs here. So at this point here, you're seeing that this high here is being broken here. So this one is going to be our new bias. So we shall have our buy bias at that. Then you're seeing that this market is pulling back into this zone here. We're having a support zone at that point. Then here we are getting a retest. So that combination is going to be giving us our area of confluence. So buyers are setting off from this zone here. So you can see this momentum kicking in from this area of confluence. So meaning the buyers are ready to push the market to the upside. So what we're going to do is wait for that candle to close, take our buy. Our stop loss is below the area of confluence. Then we are going to target this guy here, this key zone at that point. So which is roughly like 23 pips. Okay, let's see how it went. So basically that's our simple and effective setup. If you want to learn more of this setup, you can check out our ebook or reach out for our monthly mentorship program. See you in the next one. Bye bye.